We continue now at the top of Daf Mem Tes Amud Aleph in Meseches Nazir. This is Nazir Daf 48a. The Gemara says, "Ulu Rabbi Akiva." Now, according to Rabbi Akiva in the Brisa quoted on the previous Amud, Michdi, let us see. Loshna kohen gadol lechudei, veloshna kohen gadol v'hu nazir. Rabbi Akiva said, it doesn't make a difference if you're talking about an individual who is just a kohen gadol, or if you're talking about a person who's a kohen gadol and a nazir. Nafka mi le'achiv. We learn out from the pasuk, from the word le'achiv, tells us that he's allowed to be metameh to a meis mitzvah. So according to that, la'aviv u'le'imo lamali. So why do we need the pasuk to say the words la'aviv u'le'imo? Rashi explains, Rabbi Akiva, Michdi loshna kohen gadol lechudei, veloshna kohen gadol v'nazir. According to Rabbi Akiva, it doesn't make a difference whether it's just a kohen gadol or a kohen gadol and a nazir. Equal lemashma mi'uli achiv, the hashta kohen gadol v'nazir metame lemeis mitzvah. We can learn out from the pasuk which says uli achiv. We can learn out that if you have a kohen gadol and he's a nazir, that individual can be metame for a meis mitzvah. So kol shekain kohen gadol lechudei. So then it's obvious for sure if a person is just a kohen gadol, not a kohen gadol and a nazir, for sure he's allowed to be metame to a meis mitzvah. But if that's the case, if we can learn it out from the word uli achiv, so uli aviv nami de'eno metame. Now what about the word uli aviv? So the fact that he can't be metame to his father, mashma le'me'al kol nafshos meis kidleil, that we already know because it says he can't be metame to anyone, and that includes his relatives, that includes his father. So had the cause of rachmana li'aviv uli'imo. So now we have a question by kohen gadol. Why does the pasuk need to say li'aviv uli'imo lebasar achi? Why does it need to say it after that phrase? Lamali, what's the reason for that? Again, there's no reason for those words, because you've already learned it out from the fact that it's true by a kohen gadol and a nazir. So what do we need li'aviv and li'imo for? La'aviv u'li'imo lamali. What do we need the words la'aviv u'li'imo in the pasuk? And the Gemara explains, strichi, we need both words in the pasuk for the following reason. The cause of aviv, because let's say the pasuk just wrote the word aviv, hava amina hainu taima. So I would say the reason why a kohen gadol is not allowed to be metame to his father, hainu taima de lo metamele. The reason why he can't be metame to his father, mishum dechazaka bialmu, because it's just a presumption that that really is his father. We don't know for sure who the individual's father is. There's no way to know with certainty. It's just something that's a chazaka, and so therefore we'll say that's why a kohen gadol has to be strict and not be tamei to his father. Aval ima, when it comes to his mother, the yadin that we know his mother gave birth to him, we know that's his mother. So maybe we would think the mother is different, and he's allowed to be metame to her. Because of Rachmana imo, and the Gemara says the other way. Let's say the pasuk only said the word imo. Hava amina imo loli tamila. I would think maybe his mother is not allowed to be metame to her. The lav ozel zara basra, because the children don't follow her. The children, in terms of inheritance and other halachas, they follow the father. Aval aviv, but when it comes to his father, kevon do amar mar, since the master said lemishbechosim leveis avosim, that the family's father follow the father. Imo litamile, I think he is allowed to be metame to his father. Kamash malon. That's why the pasuk has to specify those relatives. We have to understand that it's true by a kohen gadol, he can't be metame to the father and to the mother as well. And the Gemara continues, V'al kol nafshos meis lo yavo lamali. Now, if that's the case, so what do we need? V'al kol nafshos meis lo yavo. Isn't it obvious you can't be metame to other individuals if you're already not being metame to these relatives? Rashi says, Rabbi Akiva damar gabe nazir nefesh elu rechokim meis elu krovim. Rabbi Akiva said by nazir that the word nefesh, it means those who are non-relatives, and meis means those who are relatives. So hi al kol nafshos meis tichsiv gabe kohen gadol. So when it says al kol nafshos meis by a kohen gadol, lamali, what do we need? What do we need that for? Amar lach, so tell you tzricha, it's needed for the following. And the Rosh explains, Al kol nafshos meis lamali. Why do we need Al kol nafshos meis by kohen gadol? Agav the dorish nefesh meis the nazir. The point of the question is, since by nazir we darshan the term nefesh meis, so by nami lemedrish to kohen gadol we want to darshan the similar phrase that's used by kohen gadol. And we will continue with this discussion in the next video on Daf Mem Tes Amud Beis.